Hello everyone, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. This one, going to show you how to create text that has a stroke, but it has no fill in it. So it's kind of old school, but it's only stroke, no fill. There are a few fonts that can do this by default or try to do it, but I can show you how to do it to any font, any text style. Let's go. Let's just start from scratch. All right, cool. So we've got a black background. I'm now going to go click on the text tool or the type tool, and I'm just going to type something in. So I'm going to type in my name, Curtis Bite. Perfect. Beauty. All right. I'll move this somewhere around the center just so you can see it. Bingo. Here we go. Okay, the next step, and it's a crucial one, you want to right click on this, and we're going to convert this into a smart object. You have to do that in order to get to this stage. Now, I'm going to go ahead and right click, or I'm actually going to double click outside beside the name right here inside this layer. So I'm going to double click, and this opens up the layer style panel. Two things we need to do. The first one is we're going to apply the color. So we're going to actually apply the stroke. So let's apply a stroke. So I've clicked on stroke, and let's make the stroke, I don't know, something like 8 pixels, okay? And we're making it red outside, but this doesn't matter. It's just to show you the technique. I'm going to go ahead now and click back on blending options, and this is where the money comes. What you want to do is you want to go to blending options, advanced blending, pull the fill opacity down to 0. Now, when I click on OK, this is basically it's text without fill, and it has a stroke. That's how you do it inside Photoshop. Thanks for watching.